Welcome. In front of me I have the Huawei Buds or FreeBuds SE, and today I'll go over unboxing along with maybe just a quick sound test. Though the sound test will not be anything special because obviously I don't have the equipment for it, but hopefully it might give you just a little bit of a taste of how they actually sound. So anyway, let's jump straight to it. Now these are the more budget version of this headphones, the actual FreeBuds Pro, I think. So there we go. So I did unbox the FreeBuds Pro not too long ago. This is the new version of it. Unfortunately, I don't have them to compare them to right now, so sorry for that. There we go. Yep. So here's the case. Fairly nice and compact. And the buds are inside. Sorry for that. Anyway, in here we get some ear tips. Oh, that's actually nice. They have a little bit of a like a mesh or more perforations in the rubber, so it's kind of nice. Then we got a absolutely shortest cable that I have seen so far, or maybe not so far, but it's still like ridiculously short. That's basically all we get. Now let's quickly pair them up to my phone. These are Huawei headphones, so hopefully I can pair them up quite easily. I have to like open it up. Oh no, there we go. I was hoping for it to actually show up on the screen. Not like that. That was just from pressing the button. But yeah, there we go. Now I'm gonna open up my music library and look for some no copyright sounds. So okay, first thought, the bass here is actually quite decent. If I can actually max it out. Now I will take off the pop filter so the sound kind of goes through a little bit better, and maybe you can get a bit of a taste of how they sound. So brace yourself when I actually take off the pop filter. There might be a little bit of a louder noise from it, I'm not sure. So there we go. So now I'm gonna place them next to the microphone and you can get to hear how they sound. They can actually pair. Okay, so they have sensors and there we go. Oh. So yeah, it's basically a quick little preview of one of the songs, and honestly they sound pretty darn good for the fact that they're supposed to be like a light version of the Pros. I think they actually might have a little bit of a better bass than the Pros did for some reason, though I don't have them right now on hand to actually do like an actual comparison between them, so yeah. But still, a pretty nice sounding pair of earbuds, and not much more to say about it. So if you found this sound preview and unboxing helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.